The future of the internet, 10 predictions that will blow your mind. The internet has already transformed our world in unimaginable ways. What started as a simple tool for communication and information sharing has evolved into the backbone of modern society. But as technology accelerates, the web is undergoing rapid changes, and its future holds even more incredible possibilities and challenges. What does the future hold for the internet? Will it remain a space where everyone can thrive? Or will we witness a centralized, controlled network run by a select few? Here are 10 bold predictions that will completely reshape the internet. 1. The rise of the Metaverse, virtual reality, but not as you know it. Picture a world where physical and digital realities merge seamlessly. A place where your avatar steps into an entirely new realm, where distances no longer matter, and the internet isn't confined to screens, but becomes an immersive, multi-sensory experience. Welcome to the Metaverse. Driven by virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR, the Metaverse is more than a trend, it's the next evolution of the internet itself. It promises to change the way we socialize, work, and play. Meetings will be held in virtual spaces, shopping will take place in fully interactive stores, and you might even go on virtual vacations without leaving your home. But the Metaverse raises critical questions: who owns these digital spaces? Could powerful corporations control entire virtual worlds, essentially owning not only the internet but the very experiences and identities of billions? Will the Metaverse be a utopia that liberates us, or a dystopia where corporate control and surveillance dominate? 2. AI powered everything, the end of human-centric technology? Artificial intelligence is already becoming a dominant force in the tech world. From AI assistants like Siri and Alexa to neural networks analyzing data, the internet is powered by machines that learn and think independently. But the future will see AI go beyond mere tools. It will become a driving force, predicting, controlling, and automating aspects of our daily lives. Imagine AI managing your calendar, finances, and personal decisions. AI won't just respond to commands, it will understand and anticipate your needs often before you do. While this will bring immense convenience, it also brings significant risks. What happens when AI becomes too intelligent? Could we lose control over the very systems we created? As AI takes on more decision-making power, we must ask, how much autonomy will we have left, and how much control will AI truly have? 3. 5G and beyond, instant connectivity at a new level. The internet speed and connectivity we've grown accustomed to are about to become obsolete. Enter 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology, which promises significantly faster speeds, reduced latency, and improved connectivity. And what happens after 5G? The next frontier is 6G. With 6G, we can expect speeds so fast that downloading an entire movie will take mere seconds. Real-time augmented and virtual reality will become glitch-free, and cloud computing will reach a new level of efficiency. However, these advancements also raise concerns about privacy and security. A hyper-connected world brings greater risks, with the possibility of surveillance and manipulation. Will the internet become a tool for control rather than connection? 4. Blockchain and decentralized systems, taking power from the few and giving it to the many. Blockchain has already disrupted financial systems with cryptocurrency, but its potential stretches far beyond that. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized system that allows for secure and transparent transactions without the need for central authority. This could reshape how we interact with data, financial systems, and even governance. While this could bring greater transparency and security, the shift may also introduce new challenges. Can we ensure a safe and manageable digital world when decentralization makes accountability more complex? And how will we prevent bad actors from exploiting the system? 5. Voice search and control. Your voice will be the new keyboard. The future of the internet will be less about typing and more about speaking. With advancements in natural language processing, NLP, AI, and voice recognition, we are quickly moving toward a world where voice control dominates. Soon, you won't need to type to search for information, simply speak to your virtual assistant, and the internet will respond. Your voice will be the key to controlling your smart home, searching the web, and even making purchases. But this raises questions about data privacy. Every time you speak to an AI assistant, you're feeding it personal data habits, preferences, locations, and more. Who owns this data, and can we trust these systems not to exploit it? 6. Augmented reality, a digital layer on top of your physical world. While virtual reality immerses you in a fully digital world, augmented reality enhances the physical world by overlaying digital information. Picture walking down the street and seeing advertisements or directions displayed right in front of you, or using AR to try on clothes without stepping into a store. In the future, AR will change how we interact with the world around us. Wearable devices like AR glasses or even contact lenses will make it possible to see real-time information about your surroundings. Education, entertainment, and retail will all be transformed by AR. But AR could also create new privacy concerns as our physical environment becomes flooded with data. Will the constant stream of information lead to an overwhelming sensory overload, or worse, further disconnect us from the physical world? 7. Hyper-personalization, the internet will know you better than you know yourself. The internet of the future won't just adapt to your preferences, it will anticipate them. With the help of AI, machine learning, and big data, the internet will become hyper-personalized, tailoring itself to your individual needs down to the smallest detail. Everything from your social media feeds to the content you consume will be personalized. Websites will predict what you want before you even realize it. While this level of personalization could provide a smoother, more intuitive experience, it also raises questions about control. Are we truly making choices? Or are we being nudged by algorithms? Will we lose our ability to think independently if the internet shapes our decisions too heavily? 8. The death of privacy, the internet will expose everything. As technology advances, privacy is becoming increasingly rare. Smart devices, facial recognition, and data collection are all eroding the notion of personal privacy. The internet of the future may be one where every detail of your life is recorded and analyzed. While this could improve security and provide personalized services, it also creates a troubling reality where every action you take is monitored. Your online activity, your physical movements, even your social interactions could all be tracked and sold. As privacy becomes a luxury, will we accept this loss of control, or will we fight to reclaim it? 9. Internet of Things IoT, a fully connected world. The Internet of Things IoT refers to the ever-growing network of physical objects connected to the internet, from thermostats to smartwatches, even refrigerators and cars. In the future, this network will expand exponentially, creating a fully interconnected world. With IoT, everything will be smarter. Your home will adapt to your needs automatically, and self-driving cars will analyze traffic in real time. However, this increased connectivity comes with a major risk: security. As more devices connect to the internet, they create more potential entry points for hackers. Will we be able to protect our personal data when even the most mundane objects are connected to the web? 10. The end of net neutrality, will access to information be controlled? Net neutrality, the principle that all internet traffic should be treated equally, is increasingly under threat. If internet service providers (ISPs) gain the power to control data flow, we could see a future where certain websites or services are prioritized while others are slowed down or blocked. Without net neutrality, the internet could become a fragmented space where access to information is controlled by those who can afford it. Wealthy corporations could dominate the web, leaving smaller players and individuals with limited access. Will the internet become a tool for the elite to control, rather than a democratic space for all? The future of the internet is filled with endless possibilities, but it also presents numerous challenges. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, we will face tough questions about control, privacy, and security. Will we embrace these changes to enhance our lives, or will we become trapped by the very technology we created? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.